Hi all, my name is Sri Devi and I am solving the exercise 1C for integers from Selena Mathematics Conscience book. This is for class 7 and this is for ICSE board. Alright, this exercise is basically using the concepts of BODMAS, and it's pretty easy if you follow the rules of BODMAS. So before we could start with the exercise, I will just give you the concepts of BODMAS. What is BODMAS? Brackets, power, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. I've already explained this concept in the previous exercise. Now, we also have brackets in all the sums in this exercise. So, what are the brackets that we need to follow? If there is a single line which is written on the number, that bracket is called vernaculum, and that's the first bracket that we need to use. Simple bracket, most of them know what a simple bracket is, and I have mentioned it in the slide here. Next we have the curly bracket or the flower bracket, and then we have the square bracket. So for bracket, the order is vernaculum, simple bracket, curly bracket, and the square bracket. The curly bracket is also called the flower bracket. So let's move on to question 1, which says evaluate 18 minus 20 minus 15 divided by 3. So because we have brackets here, we need to first solve the brackets, and there is only one type of a bracket that is used, that is the simple bracket, and inside brackets we have two operations. So using BODMAS, the first operation that we need to do is division, and I have used different colors for the operations that we are solving and the brackets that we are removing, so that it's more easy for you to understand, kids. So using BODMAS, we get 18 minus 20 minus 15 by 3, that is 18 minus 20 minus 5. So now removing the brackets, it becomes 18 minus 15, and the answer is 3. Very simple if you understand the concepts of BODMAS. Similarly, question 2. Minus 15 plus 24 divided by minus 15 minus 13. Now first operation that we need to do is division, but before that we have a bracket. So we will solve whatever expression is given inside the bracket and then move to the division operation. So 15 minus 13 is there in the bracket, so let's remove it. It becomes minus 15 plus 24 divided by 2. Now using BODMAS, again division is the first operation that we need to perform. Therefore the expression becomes minus 15 plus 12, and the answer is 3. Now let's move on to the third question. 35 minus 15 plus 14 minus 13 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3. So now we have all the brackets involved and all the different operations involved. So using BODMAS, what do? We first try to solve the expression which is there in the vernaculum, that is 2 minus 1 plus 3. In 2 minus 1 plus 3, the operation is 2 minus 1 plus 3, and according to BODMAS, addition has to be done. Therefore we do 2 plus 3, that becomes 5, and 5 minus 1 becomes 4. So that is why I have written 4 here. So 35 minus 15 plus 14 minus of 13 plus 4, and now we'll simplify that particular bracket. It becomes 17. We get 35 minus 15 plus 14 minus 17. Okay, 14 minus 17 is a negative integer, so I keep the bracket and use minus 3. So plus into 3 is minus, so it becomes, the expression becomes 35 minus 15 minus 3, and therefore the expression becomes 35 minus 12, and the answer becomes 23. Kiddos, when you just go ahead and solve all these problems, you will be able to understand it much better. And in case of any doubts or concerns, please put it on my comment box, and I will give you an explanation on how I did that particular sum. Next we move on to question number 4. 27 minus 13 plus 4 minus 8 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. So first vernaculum bracket is solved, and then we go ahead and solve whatever is there in the simple bracket, which comes to 27 minus 13 plus 4 minus 12 minus 4, because we do the addition first, that is 18 plus 4, that becomes 12 minus 4. Now we move on to the operation inside the simple bracket. So 12 minus 4 is nothing but 8. So 27 minus of 13 plus 4, minus is there, so we retain the minus 8. Now we solve whatever is there in the curly bracket, so that becomes minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4, because 8 is larger and it has got a negative sign. So it becomes, the expression becomes 27 minus 13 plus of minus 4, and the expression becomes 12. These are the first 4 sums. So let's move on to the next sum. Question number 5. So let's move on to question number 5. Again simple. We'll have to solve the vernaculum bracket, that is 18 minus 7, hence we get 20 minus 11, and then it becomes 51 minus 9. We solve the simple bracket, 20 minus 11 is 9. So now we move on to the curly brackets. The curly brackets is solved, we get 43 minus 42. So the equation becomes 32 minus 1, and the answer is 31. I'm just giving a pause for a minute so that you can understand the steps that I have done for the question number 5. Hope it is clear. Let's move on to question number 6. 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 15 minus 4 divided by 2 into 2. We solve the activities or the operation present inside the simple bracket, and in that first operation would be division. Hence we get 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 15 minus 4 by 2 into 2. 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. So we get 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 15 minus 2 into 2. And the expression becomes 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 15 minus 4. That becomes 46 minus 26 minus 14 minus 11. And that becomes 46 minus 26 minus 3. And that becomes 46 minus 23. And that becomes 23. I'm just giving you a pause here for you to understand this sum and have a deep look at the sum and start solving this problem 6. Alright people, all that you need to do in all the sums is understand the concepts of BODMAS. First is the vernaculum bracket, next one is a simple bracket, then comes your curly or flower bracket, and then the square bracket. And when it comes to operation, it will be division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So if you know this concept, all these questions are easy. Let's move on to question number 7. It says 45 minus 38 minus 60 divided by 3 minus 6 minus 9 divided by 3 divided by 3. So solving the simple brackets, in the simple brackets you put 6 minus 9 by 3, that becomes 6 minus 3. Hence the equation becomes 45 minus 38 into 38 minus 60 divided by 3 minus 3 divided by 3. In this flowery bracket you have two division sign. So first I perform 60 divided by 3, which becomes 20, minus 3 divided by 3. So the next step, the expression becomes 45 minus 38 minus 20 minus 1. So I've solved the expression inside the flower bracket, and we get the expression as 45 minus 38 minus 19. So now solving the expression inside the square bracket, we get 45 minus 19, and then the answer becomes 26. Question number 8. Question number 8, everything is 17. So first we solve the 17, all the numbers are 17. So first we solve the vernaculum bracket, which I have underlined in purple. So the expression after using BODMAS, we get 17 minus 17 minus 17 of 17 minus 0. Now move on to the simple bracket. You get 17 minus 0, that is 17. Therefore the expression becomes 17 minus 17 minus 17 minus 17 in the flower bracket. 17 minus 17 will become 0. So the expression 17 minus 17 minus 0. Now we get 17 minus 17, and therefore the answer is 0. Now you move on to the ninth sum, and the ninth sum is 2550 minus 510 minus 270 using minus 90 minus 80 plus 7. So the first is the vernaculum bracket, then comes your simple bracket, then comes your flowery bracket, and then the square bracket. I am not going to explain stepwise, just going to give you a 20-second pause here for this particular sum, where you will understand how this sum works and you should be able to solve it, and the final answer will be 2307. Please understand, I am repeating it again, BODMAS, first brackets, and then in the brackets the pattern would be vernaculum, simple bracket, flower bracket and the square bracket. and operations would be division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Let's move on to question number 10. 30 plus minus 2 into 25 minus 13 minus 3. So because it is vernaculum has to be solved first, 13 minus 3 becomes 10. So the expression becomes 30 plus minus 2 into 25 minus 10, and therefore the expression becomes 30 plus minus 2 into 15, because 25 minus 10 is 15. So the expression becomes 30 plus of minus 30, plus into minus becomes minus, therefore 30 minus 30 is 0. So again, please understand the concepts of BODMAS and everything will be very easy and simple. Moving on to the last three sums, which is very simple. Question number 11. 88 minus 5 minus of minus 48 divided by minus 16. BODMAS again here, and inside the simple bracket there is no simple bracket, that's only for the signs that they have used. You will use the flowery bracket which is there. So it becomes 88 minus 5 minus of minus 48 divided by minus 16. You already know minus divided by minus is plus, 48 by 16 is 3. So you have a minus sign outside, minus into plus becomes minus, therefore 5 minus 3. So it becomes 88 minus 5 minus 3, that is 88 minus 2, that is equal to 86. The question 12 is also very simple. 8 into, you have two simple brackets, 8 minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 3. So we will solve whatever is there in the simple bracket first, which gives you 9 into 8 minus 5 minus 2 into 2 plus 6. So 8 minus 5 is nothing but 3. So 9 into 3 minus 2 into 8. We solve 9 into 3 is 27. 2 into 8 is 16. So 27 minus 16 is 11. Let's move on to the last sum, which is pretty simple. 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3. So here you first solve the vernaculum bracket, the simple bracket, the flowery bracket and the square bracket. It's the same concept where you get the expression as 2 minus 3 minus 2, and then it becomes 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. Thanks for watching my video on 1C. If you have any doubts or questions, please put it in the comment section and I will be more than happy to explain your doubts or concerns. Also, if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and let's meet in exercise 1D for integers for class 7. Bye-bye.